What is a franchise tax? A franchise tax is commonly referred to as a privilege tax. Put another way, a state taxes a company for the privilege of doing business in that state. So, who pays the franchise tax? Generally speaking, a filing entity pays a state franchise tax. If you have an LLC or a corporation, this LLC or corporation is responsible to pay the franchise tax. When do I pay the franchise tax and how much is it? Thanks for asking. The tax is usually paid every year, usually when other state taxes are due. How much should you pay in franchise tax will depend on where you're doing business. Some states calculate the tax as a percentage, such as percentage of revenue, while other states impose a flat tax. Do most states impose a franchise tax? Well, most U.S. states do not charge a franchise tax to companies. Not requiring a franchise tax allows a state to remain competitive in attracting new business, because these businesses will have less to pay in fees to their state. What happens if I don't pay the franchise tax? Failing to pay the franchise tax can lead to severe consequences. For example, not paying your company's franchise tax can result in your company losing its corporate status, which means that you and your business partners would be personally liable for the obligations of the company. Failure to pay the franchise tax could also prevent your business from bringing a lawsuit or even defending itself in a suit. To keep your business in good active standing, you should file the franchise tax. So what does this all mean? Taxes can be confusing. Because only some states require a franchise tax, it is a good idea to speak to a tax professional to assist you in assessing and paying your taxes.